hustle, hustle, hustle. Sleep with sin in my household.
Wake up and grind. Wake up and grind. Wake up and grind. Every day.
There's people out there that are just working harder than everybody else, and they're gonna keep doing it, and that's their grind. Do you really want to be a champion? Why? Because you just want to be cool? You want to be the coolest guy on the block? Like that, you're not gonna win. You're gonna find some fucking psychopath who just lives it. It's their whole life, and if it's not your whole life, get out.
There's never been more opportunity than there is right now. If you're a fucking savage and you get out there and you grind hard and you want it bad enough, you can run all these guys over, man.
It's you against you. You against you. And if you misunderstand that, you have a real problem.